Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a subscription box unboxing. This is for the brand Boss & Bae. They're a new brand to me. I'm really excited. I love new things. I love just finding out about like new Black-owned businesses. I'm really excited. So this is for their May subscription box. Just to give you guys some insights, backstory, this is a monthly subscription box and it does run you $49 with a flat rate $7 shipping fee. In the box, you're going to find different products that just encompass lifestyle, beauty, hair care, skincare. Beauty is hair care, skincare, encompasses all of that. So basically lifestyle, beauty, all those types of things. And it is targeted at women of color. They do work with some more mainstream brands, but they also, what really I love, they work with a lot of smaller independent brands. So it gives you a chance to discover new products that maybe there's something that you thought that you needed and maybe a more mainstream brand doesn't have it, but a smaller independent brand does. So it just gives you a chance to explore and really invest in some of the smaller brands, homegrown brands. So going ahead and getting straight into the box, this is my May box and it has this beautiful bow. This is an actual bow. This is a skill. I like when people tie beautiful bows. I love little details. And then it also has this little crown sticker, very cute, very queen-esque. So this is the information card that does come with the May subscription box. It says, yes, we're obsessed with Janelle Monáe's song and video for Pink, PYNK. It's a song that feels like the love letter we all need. The lyrics and visuals are full of sly double entendres and beautiful bold statements about womanhood, sisterhood, self-love, and the joy in delighting your senses. The Kyra box was curated with that spirit in mind. Because boy, it's cool if you got blue and we got the pink. And then on the back of the information card, it does give some details on each individual product, as well as their social media links, how to get in touch with them, and then their website. So going ahead and getting into the goodies of the box. The first product is from the brand Pink Lemonade. This is their essential oil diffuser. It is also a tassel necklace. The color of this necklace is emerald pink. And on the information card, it does say Pink Lemonade Vegan Suede Oil Diffusing Necklace lets you keep your essentials close. Add a few drops of oil of your choice to the diffuser for instant aromatherapy. Simply experiencing the aroma of essential oil is enough to trigger its effects, or just awaken your visual senses with a fly accessory that's just in time for summer. And then it also has a promo code if you do get the subscription box, so that you can go on their website and shop their Etsy store. And it says put some oils on that tassel. So I was kind of wondering what the diffuser portion of this was, but you're supposed to put the oils actually on the tassel, and that's how it works. So let's see, let me put this on. So you guys can see this is where it falls on me, and as you guys can see, I'm already wearing a necklace. I always wear this necklace, so you can do a nice cute layered look. You can do whatever you want. I really like the layered look, or you can just wear it by itself. Next up, you have this product from NATROGIX, and this is their BLISS essential oils. I said oils, but it is oil, it is one. And this is their essential oil of lavender. So on the information card, it does say that essential oils have been used in various remedies and treatments for thousands of years. NATROGIX oils are painstakingly extracted, high quality, therapeutic grade oils that can be used alone or combined in recipes that promote relaxation, joy, and healing. And then you can see the blog on bossandbae.com for benefits of oil included with your necklace. So I like that they gave you a product, they gave you the diffuser necklace, but then they also give you an oil to go with it, so you don't have to just go out and buy another product. So I really like that they combined everything. And on the side of the bottle, it does say that lavender is considered the most useful of all essential oils. A favorite ingredient in famous perfumes, soaps, and body care products, lavender is one of the most unique and beloved scents. Relieve your anxiety and stress and sleep better with lavender. And then it says extraction, steam distilled, and its plant parts that use is the flowers, and then it blends well with bergamot, cedarwood, lemon, lemongrass, orange, peppermint, tangerine, rosewood, and ylang ylang. And then it says 100% therapeutic grade. Next, we have inside this bag from the brand BECCA Love leather dangle earrings. Oh, these are cute. I love them. They're so kimple. Kimple. I was trying to say cute and simple. They're so simple but cute. I love it. They're so cute. And they're neutral color. They're black. They go with everything. Oh man. This is so cute. I love them. I love big dangly earrings because I like wearing my hair up, not touching me. And I like big earrings that like you know, just bring everything. As you can see, I love dangly earrings. So on the information card it says, from day to night, casual to cute, you'll be covered with lightweight leather earrings that make a strong statement. So these are definitely a statement piece, and they're very, very light. That's one thing that I don't like. I like statement earrings, but sometimes they just wear down your earlobe, and then when you take off the earrings, your earlobes actually hurt. So I really like these. They're very, very lightweight. They're very simple, cute. I like it. I love it. And then inside the bag, it also has their business card. The next product on the list is from LVL Collective, and this is their Love and Ritual Kit. So on the information card, it says Sweetgrass Smudge Stick and Rose Quartz Crystal, Palo Santo Incense. Use this kit to bring forth loving energy, purify your space, restore harmony in your relationship, inspire self-love, clear negative energy, and raise your vibration. So I'm like, oh my goodness, I almost got like really misty-eyed reading this, not to be like a sap or anything, but I'm like, yes, 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 like I want all of this, like bring it. Yes, this is coming at such a perfect time. Oh gosh, my voice is like getting all shaky. Oh goodness, I'm really excited. This is like the most excited thing that this is the thing that I'm most excited about in this box. I really love it. I'm really excited. I'm not gonna start crying. Oh gosh, I'm really excited. I really like this. Let's see, let's open it. I'm saying I like it and I'm not taking anything out. So I'm assuming that this is the incense and this is the smudge stick. And then you have this beautiful rose quartz crystal. And then if you're like me and you've never used any of these things, I just got really excited and emotional. I've never used any of these things, but I'm like, yes, like I want and need all of that in my life. If you've never used any of the things, then I love how they included information cards on everything. And the Palo Santo incense is known as holy wood, and it clears negative energy, raises your vibration with its uplifting scent. Light the end, let the smoke cleanse your space. So I like that it gives directions for everything. For the rose quartz crystal, it's known as the stone of universal love. Rose quartz restores harmony in existing relationships, helps attract new love into your life, inspires self-love. So I love that. I'm gonna take it everywhere. Like, I'm not even kidding. And then finally, the sweetgrass braid. It is the 3 strands of braid represent love, kindness, honesty. Sweetgrass purifies, brings forth loving energy. Light the end, let the smoke cleanse your space. So I really love this. I'm like, I feel like I'm gonna end up like buying stuff like this for all of my friends. I love it. I'm really excited. And I also like the little design on their information cards, if you guys can see that, if it'll focus. And they also have a coupon code on the information card. So if you do get the subscription box, then like I just said, I already said that I'm gonna go buy more stuff from them. So I get 20% off when I do go buy those other things. Next on the list, we have this KSquared nail paint. This is a beautiful baby pink nail polish. As some of you guys might know, I'm starting nursing school in the next few weeks and I cannot wear nail polish. However, I can still paint my toes, so I'm really excited. It's a beautiful baby pink, and it is in the shade Frosting. On the information card, it does say a soft, creamy, opaque pink that stunts on all skin tones. So perfect for summer. Each bottle of the 10 free polish is handcrafted and blended in New York. And again, they have another coupon code, so you do get 20% off when you do shop on their website. So moving right along, next up on the list, you have this product from Level Naturals. This is their organic menthol and lavender shower balm. So on the packaging, it does say aromatherapy. It is organic menthol and lavender, and it has a little guy meditating like this, and it says relax, taking care of you, taking care of our world. And I was about to read that in French. It just says the same thing. And then on the side of the box, it says a whole lot of love. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's 100% gluten, not gluten, gluten-free. And this box is made with 100% consumer waste, so they're saving the world as well. And actually, I thought this was like bar soap, but it says that this is 4 different shower bombs. So I'm really excited because I just thought this was bar soap and they were calling it a bomb. I don't know why I thought that. It's 4 different bath bombs. So when you open it up, you can see the shower bombs. There are 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. These are pretty nice size. Nice little hockey pucks. Nice little chunks that you got here. They smell so good. Ooh, that was strong. That was really, really strong. It went right up my nostrils and gave me like a little tingle. But those smell so good. Like, oh my goodness. And on the side of the box, it says what this balm lacks in size, it makes up for an airway clearing, spa steaming aromatherapy goodness. Menthol and lavender oils help to open your sinuses and relax the mind, surrounding you with a cooling and calming fog as you shower. And then it says how to use. Step into the shower, place the balm beneath the steam of water and away from the drain. breathe deeply and enjoy as the soothing steam swirls around you. So it's not a bath bomb. You put it in, like, I guess at the, at the opposite end of your bathtub, and then you just let it get nice and hot and steamy and smelly and relaxy. I'm trying to keep going with the E's, but get it nice and good and steamy and warm in there. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. I can't wait. And I love the packaging too. It's very chic, very simple, and it's my favorite color. And then last but not least, you have this lipstick from Nicolette Beauty, and this is a matte lipstick in the shade Versailles. So on the information card, it does say that this is a head-turning magenta pink shade with purple undertones. Nicolette Beauty's highly pigmented formula creates a comfortable, long-lasting matte color. Full coverage, vegan, made in LA to last all day. I love the rhyming. I'm a sucker for a good rhyme. And also it has a coupon code for 10% off when you do visit their website and use the coupon code. So swatched on the lips, this is what the lipstick looks like. Again, this is the shade Versailles. I would definitely say wear this with a lip liner. It is very bold, very bright. I would say maybe like a wine or a plum, even a brown lip liner. I would definitely go in and line this, but it's a pretty nice like berry tone shade. Definitely a lip liner with it. So it's not as harshly going from your skin tone to your lips. It just nicely blends between the two. But it's very pigmented. This is only one coat. Starts drying very quickly. Does settle into the wrinkles of your lips. However, I have full range of motion. I don't feel like as I'm talking, it's gonna crumble off my lips. So that is everything. I really enjoyed this box. I'm really excited. Sorry that I got like kind of choked up, really emotional. I got it together. I regathered myself before it was too late. I was too far gone. But I'm really excited about this. I love it. I love the earrings. Everything in here is a winner. Like you got nail polish, you got earrings, you have a necklace, you have some aromatherapy going on. It's just a holistic subscription box, and I really like that. Not that I don't like other subscription boxes, however, I like that every month you're gonna get a little bit of something from everything. Whereas with certain subscription boxes, you know, okay, I'm always gonna get makeup. I like that this is a surprise. Like you never know what you're gonna get, but you know that it's gonna target different areas. And in this month's box, there were 7 different products. The subscription box does total up to $49 every month with the $7 flat rate shipping. However, just getting into the individual breakdown of prices and everything in this box did total up to $87. So you're getting almost double the value of the actual subscription box, and that's phenomenal. As always, I'll make sure that I link all of the information down below, the different retailers that I talked about, and give you a direct link so that you guys can go sign up for the Boston-based subscription box. You guys can get in on this goodness. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Kim for reaching out to me and letting me know about this wonderful opportunity and giving me a chance to review this subscription box. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, anything like that, definitely leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you guys in a timely manner. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Pretty sure I already said that, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
To the question, I don't know it. I just wanna love you, just to make you smile. That's the motive.